With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins. After seasonal highs around 70 this afternoon, our region gets on the backside of high pressure. Southerly winds continue the warming trend with highs in the mid-70s to the low 80s for tomorrow through Monday. With the southerly flow and increasing moisture, slight chances for thunderstorms return as soon as late tomorrow. Off and on thunderstorm chances continue for Thursday through Monday when waves of low pressure track through the plains. Most forecast models not generating any widespread rain, but some areas may be able to get some moisture from some scattered rain and thunderstorms. Between now and next Tuesday morning, most areas expected to see trace amounts to a half inch. Higher amounts to around an inch are now more likely from North Platte and points to the north and west, along with eastern Kansas. A few storms for Thursday through the weekend could be strong to severe. In the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures continue for Nebraska and Kansas Sunday through May 15th. By the middle of May in central Nebraska, our average daytime highs are in the low 70s, with overnight lows typically in the upper 40s. Above normal rainfall is indicated for Sunday through May 15th for Nebraska and Kansas, especially for central and east locations the early to mid part of next week. Soil temperatures 4 inches down at 7 this morning, in the low half of the 40s for all of Nebraska, along with extreme northwest and north central Kansas. The rest of Kansas with soil temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, even up around 50 in the southwest corner of Kansas. Key weather factors the markets are watching include temperatures on the rise with more rain for the U.S. and a drier trend for central Brazil. A disturbance becomes better organized with areas of rain during the second half of this week from the northwest U.S. to the mid-Mississippi Valley. Most locations across the U.S. will receive less than 2 inches of precipitation the next 5 days, while warm weather builds across the plains and south. Late week temperatures broadly reach or exceed 90 in the south central U.S. and across the deep south. In the central and southern plains, this week's rains should be less organized than last week's, but still beneficial to wheat and early corn and soybeans. Despite the rain last week, overall wheat in the U.S. rated very poor to poor increased from 42 to 43%. Towards the Midwest and northern plains, the gradual rise in temperatures later this week improves the conditions for planting. In far southern Brazil, some rain may clip the second crop corn areas while increasing the soil moisture for winter wheat. For the time being, second crop corn areas of central Brazil have good soil moisture, but a little more would help. The Black Sea region has seen consistent rains the last several weeks, favoring wheat development and corn planting. Colder air the middle of this week may produce some frost across the northern end of the Black Sea region. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.